Hi guys, today we'll see how to fabricate cables in VLAB software. So we have a small simulation here to fabricate three different types of cables. So first one is a straight cable, and we have crossover cable and rollover cable. And we have two ports here, one is switch port and PC port, and we have eight different types of fibers to fabricate there. So let us learn how to fabricate with the straight cable. So I'll show you the Excel sheet. So in straight cable, we have eight different colors here to represent different fibers. So the color which we assign in the first one should be assigned same in the first one here also. So for example, we take orange in one here, so we have to put orange here also. So similar, we have to interface 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, up to so on 8 and 8. So like that we have to interface that one. So let us go to simulation. So let us choose straight cable here first. And here let us select different colors. First we'll select orange, so we have to give orange here also. Now orange and white, we'll take orange and white. We'll take blue, here also blue. Here is blue and white, so blue and white. Green, here also green. Green and white, green and white. Brown and white, brown and white. Brown and brown. So here we took the colors, like first one is orange, so we take first one orange here also. Here second one is orange and white, so we take orange and white. So whatever color you take here, the same color should be taken to the corresponding number for the PC port. Now just we'll run this. So you see 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8 and 8. So it will just ask us to verify whether we have put correct connection or not. So we'll just click OK. So the cable is right. So the straight cable is fabricated in this way. Now let us go to, so now we'll see how to fabricate the crossover cables. So I have an Excel to just show you which cable to connect to which one. So now we have eight different colors here. So the color which we select in switch port, the first one, should be connected to the third one in the PC port. So the color which we select in the second one should be connected to sixth one in the PC port. So like that, 3 should be connected to 1, 4 should be connected to 7. So 5 to 8, 6 to 2, 7 to 4 and 8 to 5. We'll just verify this one using VLAB software. So here we select the crossover, and here we select color in the first one. So the same color should be taken in the third port of the PC port. So orange here, here second one, connected to sixth one. Third one should be connected to first one. Fourth one should be connected to seventh one. So we have distinct colors to distinguish this one. Fifth to eighth one, and sixth to two, seven to four, and last eighth to fifth one. So we'll just verify this one. So we see the demonstration of the cables which we connected here. It will just ask us to verify. So the cable is right. So we saw how to connect the crossover cable using different colors. Now the third one is rollover cable. In rollover cable, we similarly have 8 ports here, 8 here. So which one to interface? So first one should be interfaced to the last one, the second one to second last. So to be in easy words, we can say that in switch port we have all the colors in order. the same order should be reversed in PC port. So 1 is connected to 8, 2 is connected to 7, 3 is connected to 6, 4 to 5, 5 to 4, 6 to 3, 7 to 2, and 8 to 1. We'll just verify this using VLAB software. So first one we should select a color. Now the same color should be selected in the 8th port here. So similarly, we have to just reverse the same order. So we'll just run this one. These were the cables which we connected. It will ask us to verify this one. So the cable is right. So we learned three different types of fabrications. One is straight cable, cross cable, and rollover cable using VLAB software. Thank you.